occasionally you forget to get a gasket that you need. I was pretty sure that the one for in between the carburetor intake was going to be there in the pack, the top end pack, and it's not. But thankfully the old one didn't all peel up when I was taking it off, except for one little section where it doesn't quite line up. So what I'm going to do, I've got a bolt that needs to go up here somewhere. I'll cut this one out so I can line it up over the top of my throttle body, or over the bottom of my throttle body, and then I'll be able to line it up for this part here. And make sure your pen all draws all over it. Alright. And this is an actual roll of gasket material. You just buy that at a parts place. From memory, I think it was only like about $8 for a full, like a roll of it. And I've made a few gaskets already, and I think I've barely used any of it. See, so got my basic shape. I need to cut this part out, which I'll do with a Stanley knife, and clean up these bolt holes a bit too. See, not that hard at all, and that lines up over the top. There you go. This is the gasket I made. So I didn't need to put the gasket cement all over the bottom area because of the gaps. But I will put it all over the top surface so that it makes a good seal against the bottom of the throttle body. So this surface where there was nothing really underneath, I want it on the top surface so that it keeps a good seal against the throttle. Just make sure you've got any little linkages that need to be put together, put on as well. Otherwise it's really hard to get them linked up because you've got to undo more screws and bolts and things. Okay, then go around and make sure all your hoses are back on. Can't reach that one from there.